Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the hum so you know its source. First, unplug everything non-essential and leave only the amp, one instrument, and a single cable. This removes variables. Once done, swap in a known good cable and instrument to check if the hum follows a component. Then make sure the amp is physically moved away from fluorescent lights, power supplies, and transformers. Proximity often induces hum. If the noise drops, you've narrowed the cause to cabling, grounding, or nearby interference. Now you work on grounding and wiring because most hums are electrical. Start by testing the outlet with a receptacle tester, and if possible, plug the amp into a different circuit to see if the hum changes. Next, try a ground lift adapter or a die box with an isolation transformer to break ground loops. This often removes the low-frequency hum. Also, replace old shielded cables and reroute audio cables at right angles to power runs. Cable layout and shielding directly affect induced noise. Finish by checking the amp's internals. You're looking for microphonic tubes, failing filter capacitors, or loose parts that convert vibration into hum. First, with power off, secure the chassis and check tube seating and replace any microphonic tube. Clean scratchy pots with contact cleaner and tighten mounting hardware. If you still hear hum after these steps and your previous isolation tests, make sure to document what you tried. This speeds a technician's diagnosis. Troubleshooting tip: if hum changes when you touch the amp, it's usually a grounding or tube issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.